This is Marsha Wilson. I made a video last year of
you're on tape.
Of 3 of my grandsons swimming at the Leonia, New Jersey Swim Club. They are jumping in the water. They're waving their hands. They're splashing and doing somersaults in the water. And my grandson with the black sleeves has a form of autism called PDD-NOS. And he loves the water. Everybody loves the water. This is the last day of the pool. This is my 14-year-old grandson. He's just done a front flip. Here he's trying it again. Let's go. There we go, that's a dive.
Hi, Elaine.
Here comes Jack again. Oh, he's falling in the water. Very good. There's a 14-year-old doing a flip. Here he's going to try something more tricky, I suppose. Oh, boom, there it goes. A big front flip. Isn't this fun? Here's... Oh!
Jack, we're going up the slide.
Down the water slide.
Here comes Jack.
Boom!
There goes Jack.
That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.